Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Excel very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel and here you can see our dark theme has been enabled. But if I want to turn it off, then I will have to click on file option and just scroll down, and here you can see more option. Click on it and click on options and a new window will appear. You have to just scroll down and here you can see office theme. Click on black and click on arrow. And here you can see colorful theme or white theme. For example, I click on colorful and then click on OK. And you can see we have successfully turned off dark theme from our Microsoft Excel. So guys, in this way you can turn off dark mode in your Microsoft Excel very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.